So right now we are boarding the plane. We are boarding the plane right now. So we're going to fly in Air Asia to Langkawi. The camera is close to the... Really? We're gonna fly. The engine is starting. Do you hear it? The engine is starting. AKA 1, 2, 3. We're starting. Ooh, we're going. Whee! Whoa! Whee! We're going so fast. Langkawi, here we come. We're taking off. Look. We're flying. Whoa! It's so bumpy. Wow! We're flying. No, there's the airport. Highway. Everything looks like toys now. We're flying like a bird. Oh, we're turning right now. Look, we're tilted. Oh, we're going back straight. It's so sunny up here. I don't see the sun anywhere. Oh my gosh, it's so high up. I can't even see what's down there. It looks like I'm seeing the ocean. Oh wait, it is the ocean. I can see a tiny island just right over there. Langkawi is actually kind of a big island, but not that big to the map because you can't see it on the map, but you have to like zoom in, then you can see it. So it's not actually like really big, but it's big to me. See like an island? We're landing shortly. Oh, I see it. I see the place. It's still not visible to the camera. Wait, let me bring it. Oh, there is it. Can you see something right here? I don't know if it's visible, but visible to me. But the island's just right here. Can you see something like right here? We're landing now. Here we are. Yay! Wow! Woohoo! Oh, I remember last time when the land was so bumpy. Right now the pilots have improved. The land was so bumpy that I shake a lot. I kind of liked it. It felt like I was riding a roller coaster. But now the landings are so smooth that I don't feel like I'm jumping up and down.
Dear guests, we have landed at Langkawi International Airport. For safety, please remain seated. Usage of mobile phone is not allowed until the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Do be careful when opening the weight compartments. As a reminder, please check your seat pockets and the weight compartments.
Today, we're at the swimming pool right now. There's not much people right now because it's 11:20 at Saturday. Well, I'm gonna go first. Actually, I'm wearing just a white normal goggle, and also my big brother is wearing like neon color goggle. Like when you wear it, everything looks neon. There's a deep pool, and there's a junior pool where no one is at. Okay, let's go and swim now. Okay, let's go. So now we're at, what is this called? Kota Mahsuri. No. That's just we're at Kota Mahsuri right now. This is Mahsuri binti Panda Maya grave. Mahsuri, a victim of treachery and jealousy, was sentenced to death in 1235 Hijrah or 1819 AD. As she died, she laid a curse on the island. There shall be no peace and prosperity on this island for a period of 7 generations. That is her grave that you're looking at. The one with the 2 stones. Made by his wife upon her death. Mahsuri cursed Mahsuri. Okay, so now we're going to visit another place, which is just right over there, that house. That wood house you see there. Wow. So this is the old swing. Oh my gosh, be careful at this one. Oh gosh. Is it closer to our brother or Okay, now we are going to the well. Now where is it? Is it here? Is this the well? No. Oh, there.
Careful. It's deep. It's deep.
Is this really the true place? Is this really her place?
This is where she showers.
Believe the possess healing properties, such as if one were to wash one's face with the water, it would help to retain the youthful look like what it did for Mahsuri, who back then possessed outstanding beauty. It was at this well Mahsuri took her bath and washed her clothes. The water from the well, she said, to be cool compared to any other wells in Langkawi. Locals believe that the well never dried up, even though during the drought season, with God's willing, the water is also capable in curing skin disease. This is the well. Yeah, and it's deep. It's just the water. The water makes it. Is this a copy of the well, or is this the real well?
This is the real.
That's why they have the moss and stuff. The moss. It's very deep.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go in the house now. Wow. Oh, it's very low. Watch for the head. Your head. Oh. Wow. This is like a child-style house at this side. Oh, the table's so tiny. Why is it so small? So this is how people long time ago live. This is the kitchen. You can see like at the floor they have holes. It's because it's a straight wood. Wait. No. It's because when like at the kitchen, if you spill water or anything, it will just go through the holes. Yep. And also this is a kitchen. And also this is how they let the windows stay open all the time. They use the wood thing. So that's how they do it. I don't know what is this area. I think this is the area to get into. Wait, this is a top.
Okay, where?
The door is quite similar. It's made of wood, but instead of nails, they use, I don't know what are these. Oh, I think this is not from now. Yeah. Oh, they do have nails. I think it's just broken, so they have to fix it. So this is what they use to like make light outside. This is what they use. I don't know if it was from a long time ago or this year. So we're going out right now. No, we're going to the bedroom. Oh, this is probably the bedroom. Look. Yeah, this. So long time ago they sleep on a wooden bed. No, I think they had something here, but it was broken. No, I think they just sleep like this. Yeah. And is that thing there before? Yep. I don't know. This is the house of Panglima Lutang. The doors are very small. You see, it's very small. Wait, let me go. And also, they don't allow us to go in. I don't know. Maybe it's because the structure of this house is too old. So
No, it's under construction. They need to fix something.
maybe it's kind of broken or something. But you can see a little bit inside. You realize how small is the window and stuff. Wow. Oh, this is the inside. Wait. Let's see the outside first. So there's like a balcony here. There's like a balcony here. I just realized that most of the old houses, I mean all of them. Wait, how come it's 5 already? All of the old houses, I just realized that they're not on the ground. They have some wood holding them. Because of light. Oh, the roof. What is it made of? I think it's made of bamboo, but it's cut in half. No, it's not bamboo. If it was bamboo, no, it is bamboo. Be tiled like this. No, it's not. It is. No, it's not. I've never seen bamboo this small. They have. Oh, it is. They just cut it. The houses, they're like very small. No, this is not small. This is actually quite big. No, we use these stuff. But I think we have to go to the outside, then we can close it, right? There's glass here. I don't think that's part of it. Oh, okay, let's go up here. The glass part of the house? The glass? No, I don't think so. So this is the place. Oh, this is probably inside of the house. And this is the bed. I don't think this is the bed. Could be eating area. No, it's probably. Maybe it's just like a square thing because it's just for like. I think it's the kitchen. Look. This is the kitchen. Yeah, that's the kitchen. The kitchen is very like near to the bed. And I think this is a mirror. I don't know if I didn't know there were mirrors long time ago. This mirror still looks clean. Yeah. Or mirrors expensive long time ago because I heard that windows are expensive too. Whoa. The windows are tiny. It's like I'm in a kid's house. I feel like I'm a child. I think that's the chief's house. Yeah, I feel like I think that's the chief's house. Soon we're gonna go in there. Now I'm gonna invite you to a house named Ep1. Well, I just realized that these stuff are very low, even for me. I'm a child and it's lower than my waist. No, it's perfect size. No, it's lower than my waist. Oh, and also look, the window is so small. Dada, this thing can open. If you pull this thing down, all of them go down. Oh yeah. Look, wait, close the window, close the window. Wait, watch this. Close the window. Wait. 3, 2, 1, open. So this is we're going to go to the chief's house. No, right now we're going to go inside the chief house, the biggest house. I don't know if it's the biggest house in like a neighborhood because like it's the cheap, right? Ta-da! Whoa! They're so big. Oh, this is they have the lock thingy at the bathroom. Don't close. Oh, what's
Yeah.
that? Oh look, these are instruments. These are like the hit thingies, but no, not hit thingies. They're instruments. Yeah, they're instruments, but they're. Why did you call them hit thingies? Because we hit at both sides, but they're instruments. So these are the instruments. I don't know if it's like a drum. Yeah. We have one at home that looks the same. No, our one is a bit. So this is what they use to
Put the
hang.
arrow.
This is what they use to put the arrow inside. So they'll have a bow, and when they want to shoot an arrow, they'll take the arrow behind them. No, they would be like this. They would be like this, and then the arrow would be tall. I mean, like very long, so they can easily take it. Whoop, and then can shoot.
Let's go inside.
Okay, let's go inside. Wow. Wow. Ah, where's the head? The head is gone. I don't know if they used this to very long time ago. Oh, of course they use. This is the 7th generation of Mahsuri. This is the great-great-granddaughter. So this is how they dressed long time ago. They have these clothes, but I didn't even know they used these to dress. Oh, I just realized the hand fall out. So what hand? Oh yeah, the hand fall out.
Oh no!
Well, I think these are clothes for women. No, look, there's the hand. Can you see it? Just down there. This is what a woman like wear a long time ago. This one is the most prettiest one I see. Oh, these are next to the right to the next one. Oh, it's like a museum here. Yeah, it's big over here. Look, that's the great-great-granddaughter of Mahsuri. Wait, this one. Great-great-granddaughter. What is